Hi guys, I will now show you how to make perfect, juicy and spongy rasgullas. This is a list of ingredients required. Heat 1.5 liters of cow's milk in a pan. Stir frequently. This is to prevent burning of the milk and to prevent fat separation from the milk. Bring this to a boil. Switch off the flame. Rest for 1 minute. Take 1.5 teaspoons of citric acid. Add half teaspoon at a time and stir in between. This is the second addition of citric acid. Notice how the milk has started curdling. After the third addition of citric acid, milk has fully curdled and the whey has separated. Place a strainer over a bowl and cover this with a cloth. Pour the curdled milk onto the cloth. Rinse well with cold water. This will bring down the temperature and also wash away the sourness of the citric acid. Gather the edges of the cloth and squeeze gently to remove as much whey as possible. Do not squeeze hard. This will make the curd very hard. Hang this for about 30 minutes to drain the remaining whey. Take this chena or curd on a large plate. At this point, the chena is very crumbly. Start kneading. Knead by squeezing the chena and also by rubbing it against the plate. Knead for 7 to 10 minutes till the chena becomes soft and smooth and comes together as a soft dough. Something like this. At this stage, it should not be too moist or too dry. Roll into 1-inch balls. Heat 6 cups of water in a wide vessel. Add 1 cup sugar and 2 cardamoms. Stir till the sugar dissolves. When the sugar syrup comes to a boil, gently drop the rasgulla balls into it. Cover and boil for 20 minutes. The vessel and the syrup should give enough space for the rasgullas to swell and float freely. The rasgullas will double in size. After 20 minutes, switch off the flame. They're very soft and brittle now, so be very careful. Refrigerate these rasgullas for 6 to 8 hours and serve chilled. Enjoy these delicious, soft, juicy and spongy rasgullas. If you like this video, please like and share it. Leave your comments below. And for more such interesting recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the profile picture. Thank you.